Hello, everyone. We welcome you back to TOSJOHN Consulting. It's our YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us once again on this live stream. So, as you all know, that on this YouTube channel, we break down business information in a simple and in a clear way. So insightful videos that we have on this YouTube channel, and we implore you to check all our YouTube channel for videos on CAC, on taxes, on strategy, business compliances, and today's live streaming, very powerful video we are bringing to you at this time. And if this is your first time of joining us on this YouTube channel, we implore you, we appreciate you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because on this channel we offer value on all the video that we are streaming. They are insightful video and they will really help your business to thrive, to remain sustainable, and of course compliant. So thank you for joining us on today's live streaming. Please do well to subscribe. Please do well to like our videos, and do well to share with other business owners around you. So we have over 250 videos on this YouTube channel. Watch that you will not gain value on the video. You will definitely get value for your time, get value for, just coming to our YouTube channel to watch any of our video will give you value. So please do well to watch our videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So we'll be diving in quickly into today's into today's video. Please make sure you stay to the end to get the full gist of everything that we will be saying on this live streaming. The full gist of everything that we'll be saying on this live streaming. Make sure you stay to the very end of this video. So as you can see, the topic of our live streaming today, it's all about investment. So you can see that on this YouTube channel, we are not only telling you that come and pay your tax, come and file your annual returns. We also know the importance of you doing business and growing your money. So we are a versatile professional consulting firm. So we talk about money, we talk about business. Of course, we are the voice of business owners, entrepreneurs in Nigeria and all over the world. So growing your money wisely in the right investments. Growing your money wisely in the right investments. You've earned your money. You've labored for it. You've put in your time, your skills, your efforts, your intelligence, your experiences to earn that money. So you must be able to grow that money in the right investment. Saving money is a very good one, but you must move beyond saving to investment. It is investments that grow your money and beat inflation. Currently, as we speak in Nigeria, inflation is currently at between 25 and 30%. And if you put your money only into savings, it can devalue your money. The purchasing power of your money can be totally washed. So that is why we are bringing you this video, that you can grow your money in the right investment. No Ponzi scheme, no doubling your money. This is not what we are saying here. We are talking about genuine and real investment. So let's dive into today's video. Are you working hard every day, yet your money still disappears before the month ends? Are you saving money but not seeing real growth? Or maybe you are afraid of investing because you have heard too many stories of scams and losses. Today, we are going to break down how to grow money wisely in the right investment, safely, strategically, and profitably. That is what you will get on today's live streaming. So whether you are a salary earner, you are an entrepreneur, you are a business owner, or you're a student or retiree, this session will help you understand how smart people make their money work for them. Smart people, how they make their money work for them. Your money should be able to work for you. You have put in your time, right? Sleepless nights sometimes, in the rain, in the sunshine. You've done many things to earn that money. Now send that money to work. Let that money go to work for you. Send it to work. Let it go and deliver for you. Let it go and bring more money for you. Yes, that's what we are saying here. In the right investment. In the right investment. That is what we are saying. Not in Ponzi scheme, not in doubling your money, but in the right investment. So please ensure you give this video a thumbs up, ensure you like and share with other business owners, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done so, because this is the right channel to be as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, and as a professional. Everything you need to know in business is right here on this channel. Anything you need to know about growing your money in the right investment, professional, career growth, everything is on this channel. Let's continue. So as we have said earlier on, this is TOSJOHN Consulting. We are your trusted channel for business, finance, accounting, taxation, and wealth building strategies. So today's discussion is a practical discussion. It's a practical discussion because it will be giving you all that you need to know about wealth building. So please, if this is your first time here, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video live stream, and turn on your notification bell so you never miss valuable financial updates. So for beginner, this video is practical for you, and it will be extremely important because in this year 2026, keeping money idle is becoming more dangerous due to inflation and economic uncertainty. So we'll be breaking this video into sections. In section number 1, why saving alone is no longer enough. Saving is part of it, but it is not enough. So many people believe that once they save money in the bank, they are financially secure. Unfortunately, inflation is reducing the value of money every single day and every single year. So for example, if inflation is 30% and your money grows by only 5% in a savings account, your purchasing power is actually reducing. And what does it mean? Food becomes more expensive, transportation increases during inflation, school fees rise, rent increases. You've seen the situation of rent now is so unbearable. Business costs rise. And when business costs rise, the products that the business is offering to the market will be expensive. So your money must grow faster than inflation. It must grow faster than inflation. So that is where investment now comes in. If your money will have to grow and faster than inflation, you have to put it in the right investment. So section 2 is, what is investment? So investment simply means putting your money into assets or opportunities that can generate more money over time. So you are putting your money that you have worked hard for into assets or opportunities that can generate more money over time. So good investment can come in form of generating passive income for you, build long-term wealth, protect against inflation, create financial freedom, help you retire comfortably. But wise investment is not gambling. Wise investment is not gambling, is not doubling your money, is not Ponzi scheme. In 2 days ago, someone was telling me that they've started introducing another Ponzi scheme, MMM. He said, no, 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 no. This is a no, 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 no. Not again. After what has happened to people, that many people, you know, committed suicide because they lost their money into all this Ponzi scheme. Into all this Ponzi scheme. They lost their money, fortune. And now they keep bringing all this Ponzi scheme every now and then because they know that people are greedy. People are greedy. They want to get fast money. And that is why all these Ponzi scheme and doubling your money investment will not cease. But if you are a wise investor, you will invest wisely in an investment that you are sure of. And that is what we are bringing to you. So wise investing involves, one, you need to research. And what does it mean to research? Findings. Make your findings. Make your findings. I was on our Institute of Chartered Accountants, ICANN on here today. They were talking about investment. Investing in the area of your interest. Investing in the area of your knowledge, in your field, in your career, what you have knowledge of, you invest in it. Somebody will not just come from nowhere and tell you, bring 10 million, and in the next 1 year, you will get 100 million. How is that possible? That is Ponzi scheme. Ponzi scheme. So wise investment, you will make your findings, you will research. Then you will be patient. People are not patient these days. Quick, fast syndrome is affecting many people, and that's why they keep losing their money. So you need to be patient. You build wealth patiently, consistently. So there's need for risk management. Are you a risk taker? Are you a risk adverse person? You need to measure that. You need to manage the risks because there's no investment that there's no risk there. But your risk appetite will now determine which one do you want to take. Then there's need for diversification, portfolio diversification. put your investment into different portfolio. You invest in this, invest there, invest here in where you have knowledge of. Then there's need for financial discipline. Of course, if you are not financially disciplined, you cannot even save, let alone talking about investment. So you need to be financially disciplined. We have a video on that, financial discipline for business owner entrepreneurs. Let's quickly move to section number 3, characteristics of a good investment. Characteristics of a good investment. When you see a good investment, what are the features? What are the attributes? What are the characteristics? What are the traits? So before putting your money anywhere, you need to ask these important questions. One, is it legitimate? And if it is legitimate, you need to check the registration status, the regulatory approval, the company background. If there is need for physical office, check it, and the track record. So if an investment promises unrealistic returns like double your money in 7 days, you need to be very careful. So number 2, what is the risk level? Under the characteristics, what is the risk level? So every investment has risks. Investments, we have treasury bills, new videos one after the other on investment, medium risk investment and high risk investment, so that you can choose the one that align with your risk appetite. So we have treasury bills under low investment, we have fixed deposits, we have government bonds, and under medium risk we have mutual funds, we have real estate, and then under high risk investment we have cryptocurrency, all dis digital currency like Bitcoin, like KuCoin, like Ethereum and the likes of dem. They can give you much money but their risk is high. As much return on investment you can get from it, if it goes the other way around, you can also lose your money and it will be so high. So cryptocurrency is an high risk investment area that can only be taken by a high risk investor. So if you are not an high risk investor, please, you may not need to go into that area. And even if you are a high risk investor, you need to make your research. Then there's forex speculation, and then startup businesses. If you are somebody that you are an entrepreneur, a business owner, startup businesses is definitely a high risk investment. But if it is done well with a proper research and right knowledge, it can also give you high return. Then number 3, is the return sustainable? The sustainability of it, the sustainability of it, keep on going without cutting off. So consis ten t moderate growth is usually safer than suspicious massive profit. All dis doubling your money is dey rob Peter to pay Paul, is not sustainable. All dis Ponzi scheme, double your money in 7 days, gambling is not sustainable. So number 4, can you understand it? If you cannot understand it, there's no need to go into it. Never invest in what you do not understand. If you don't understand it, there's no need in investing in it. Section number 4, best investment options to consider. Best investment options to consider. The one here is real estate. Land and property remain one of the strongest long-term investments. And here are the benefits. There's appreciation in value. It appreciates. Property, land does not depreciate. It appreciates over time. You can buy a land of one plot today, maybe 1 million depending on the location, and in the next 5 6 months you can sell it as much as 3 million, 4 million, 5 million, depending on the location, depending on the location and the demand. So it can appreciate so much. And of course, you have to be careful about it too. We'll be telling you about it in this video. So there's rental income you can get from land and property. That is why it is so much profitable and it is the best investment option to consider. There's security, but the condition is this: you need to verify documents properly, because as we have Ponzi scheme in money investment, there's also scammers. Scammers are also in this real estate too. They are scammers too. So you need to verify documents properly. You need to avoid land scams. There are land scams. The land that you've sold to someone, they will sell it to you again. Land scam. Confirm government approvals. Does it have government approval? If it does not have government approval, it is no go area. C of O, it is no go area. Then number B, mutual funds. So mutual funds are excellent for beginners investors, those that are considering investing. So your money is professionally managed and spread across multiple assets. And here are the advantage of mutual funds: lower risks through diversification. There's professional management. There's flexibility entry amount. This is one of the safest starting points for many Nigerians and any entrepreneur. So number C is government securities. You may need to consider. It's the best investment option to consider. So government security examples are treasury bills. As at day before yesterday, treasury bills was being traded in the secondary market at 15% per annum. So depending on the amount you are putting into it, you can get as high good return as possible. Imagine you have 1 million and you are considering treasury bill of 15% per annum. That's 150. But meanwhile, there is a withholding tax on the interest, not on capital, on the interest. So that's the only thing you will be charged: withholding tax of 10% on your interest that you get as profit from the investment. So we are going to be bringing you all these investment options one after the other and giving you in details so that you can consider the one that go with your appetite. So we have federal government savings bonds. We have bonds. Bonds are also good government security to invest in. These are generally safer because they are backed by government. So the D aspect is business investment. Business investment. So one of the best investments can actually be your own business. Your own business. If you have knowledge in an area and you can consider business in it, it is actually a good idea. So you can consider investing in skills. It's a good business here in skills. Business automation, branding, if you have knowledge, skills in this area, digital marketing, staff training. For us as TOSJOHN Consulting, skills, automation, branding, digital marketing, staff training, compliances, professional services are what we offer. All our services are comprehensive and holistic, and they deliver value. So we can train you individually, corporately. So a profitable business can outperform many traditional investments. So business is still one of the best investment you can consider, provided you have skills, you have experience, you have knowledge, and you can get your clients. It's a good option. Then E aspect is stock market. So in this stock market, buying shares in strong companies can build wealth over time. For example now, Dangote is coming up selling shares, Dangote refinery, in the next 3 to 4 months time. So it's a good investment option, the stock market, if it is in a good company like Dangote refinery, oil and gas. Oil and gas business is a business that over the years have been making a very good return. So buying shares in Dangote refinery will also be a good investment decisions. However, you need to study before investing. Think long-term growth, avoid emotional decisions. And before moving ahead, we will say this here: when you are going into investment, you must have a goal. What is the goal that you want to achieve? Is it to pay school fees? Is it to build house? Is it to buy car? Is it for your retirement? Is it for child's training, child's education, family care? All these goals must be defined from the starting point so that you take in the right investment that will not pressure you. So number F, letter F here is investing in yourself. Investing in yourself. The highest return investment is often self-development. That's the highest investment, investing in yourself, because the worth of someone that have invested in his or herself cannot be quantified. It cannot be overemphasized. For example, someone that is just a school sat and is being asked to come and do a job, the amount that will be paid to the person will be different from somebody that has already gone through a university education and is a professional working in his field. It will be different. So your personal development, self-development is the highest return on investment you can ever do. So you need to learn digital skills, the self-development on digital skills. It is a high selling skills in this digital age. Accounting is the language of the business. That is what Warren Buffett said. And Warren Buffett made fortune by studying accounting. He was not an accountant, but he studied an accounting and he used the knowledge to invest in the stock market and he made a fortune, and he was one of the richest man in the whole world at his peak. Then tax knowledge. We're in the tax period. Nigerian Tax Reform Act. People need to understand that is why we are here. We're a professional, tax professional, accounting professional, and we have dished out a lot of video on this YouTube channel. We have dissected the whole Nigerian Tax Reform Act. We have dissected it. Check all our YouTube channel, you will see it there. So this is a knowledge we are also dishing out. So you can reach out to us as well for one-on-one training. Then financial literacy. You need to be financially educated, financial intelligence. Because if you are financially illiterate, you might waste your money into what you shouldn't have wasted your money into. They said if ignorance is expensive, try ignorance. You will see that ignorance is far more expensive than education. So you need financial literacy. And there are a lot of books that you can read on financial literacy. Man in the whole world. A lot of videos, Napoleon Hill, a lot of books that you can read on financial literacy. The Richest Man in Babylon, and the like. Read those books. They are very good books. Then AI tools. We're in the era of artificial intelligence. AI is, you know, taking over everything. But if you have the skills, it puts you ahead. AI is not there to take anybody's job, but it will just make those that are not, having the skills of AI to be redundant. So AI will enhance work performance, efficiency, effective work delivery. So AI tools, skills, knowledge is very important in this age, and you need to get it. There are a lot of things, AI, courses that you can get. Some of them are free. You can check them out online. Then sales and marketing. This is an age-long skills from the time memorial. Selling and marketing is one of the skills that will ever be relevant in our world. So far there will be exchange of goods and services. Sales and marketing skills will ever be relevant. So your income grows when your value grows. That's what you must know. Your income will grow in proportion to your value that you want to offer. Here on TOSJOHN Consulting, we offer a lot of value, a lot of value. So let's move ahead to section number 5. In section number 5 here, we have common investment mistakes to avoid. So we need to discuss here about the dangerous mistake many people make. One, investing without emergency savings. You cannot just go and invest without you having emergency savings. There's something you need to fall back on. There's something you will need to be spending, taking care of yourself, family. So you need to have that emergency fund on ground. Your cash flow need to be on ground. So always have emergency fund first. So number 2, following crowd pressure. Don't invest because everyone is doing it. Don't invest because everyone is doing it, please. Number 3 is greed. High returns usually come with high risk. So lack of diversification in number 4. Do not put all your money into one investment. Spread your investment in the right portfolio. Number 5, ignoring documentation. Always keep agreement and receipts. Don't invest emotionally. Invest with your knowledge, with logic, with reason, and keep all agreement and receipt. Number 6, emotional investing. Emotional investing. Fear and greed destroy financial freedoms. Fear and greed destroy financial freedom. So don't invest with emotion, by emotion, on emotion. Be sure, use your logic and your reason. Section number 6, simple wealth building strategy. So in this one, number 1, budget your income, track where your money goes. Number 2 step, save consis ten tly, even small amounts matter. Step number 3, eliminate bad debts. It help you reduce unnecessary liability. Number 4, start small investment. So consis ten cy beats speed. Step number 5, reinvest profit. If you are not using it, you can reinvest the profit. Allow compound growth to work. Allow compound growth to work. So compound interest is said to be the ninth wonder of the world, because it multiply your money astronomically at geometric astronomical rate, and it will beat your imagination how much return you will get on your investment through compound interest. So compound growth means your money begins generating additional money over time. Section number 7, how to identify scam investments. How do you identify scam investment? So you need to run away if you hear guaranteed massive profit, no risk at all. secret investment formula, pressure to recruit people, no transparency, no regulation. You need to remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. In section number 8, as we begin to round off, final financial advice. Growing money wisely is not about quick riches. It is about discipline, it's about patience, it's about knowledge, it's about strategy and long-term thinking. The goal is not just to make money, the goal is to build sustainable wealth. So here is the call to action. If you found this live streaming session valuable, kindly like this video, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to TOSJOHN Consulting YouTube channel, drop your question in the comment section, and if you need professional support for business registration, tax compliance, wealth building, investing strategy, financial consulting, accounting, professional services, business growth strategy, contact us today at TOSJOHN Consulting. Thank you for watching, and remember, smart money is not just earned, smart money is wisely managed and invested.